If you've checked your Metro Bank account recently and noticed missing money, negative balances, or duplicate payments, you're not alone. Thousands of Metro Bank customers woke up to serious problems with their accounts, all caused by a major technical glitch that disrupted the bank systems. In this video, we're breaking down exactly what happened, why customers were so alarmed, and what Metro Bank has said about the issue. Let's get into it. Earlier today, Metro Bank suffered a widespread technical fault that affected its payment and account systems. Customers started noticing that something was wrong when their balances suddenly dropped, payments were missing, or money seemed to vanish altogether. Some people saw their accounts showing negative balances, even though they hadn't spent anything. Others reported seeing the same transaction appear twice, meaning they were charged double for the same purchase. On social media and community forums, Metro Bank customers began sharing screenshots showing duplicated transactions, disappearing money, and incorrect balances. Many couldn't make or receive payments, and some said that their debit cards were being declined in stores. Understandably, this led to panic, especially for people who rely on Metro Bank for daily spending or business transactions. Reports quickly flooded outage monitoring sites like Down Detector, where more than 100 people complained within a short period. Many describe how they couldn't access their funds or complete online payments. For some, direct debits and standing orders also appear to fail. Metro Bank responded by confirming there was what they called a short delay affecting inbound and outbound payments. The bank said that the glitch had caused delays in processing some transactions, which meant that balances and payment histories were not displaying correctly. They reassured customers that the issue had been identified and resolved later that day, but also warned that some earlier payments might still take time to appear properly. In a public statement, Metro Bank apologized to its customers and said normal service had resumed. However, even after the official fix, many people reported lingering issues such as pending payments, incorrect balances, and duplicate charges. Some also complained that calling customer service wasn't helping because phone lines were overwhelmed. So, what actually happened here? From what's been reported, this appears to be a systems failure, not a hack or fraud incident. Essentially, Metro Bank's payment systems experienced a technical delay that temporarily desynchronized account data. When that happens, transactions can show up twice, disappear from view, or appear as if they've been deducted even though they haven't fully processed yet. It's frustrating, but in most cases, the money isn't truly gone. It's just stuck in a processing limbo until the system updates. Still, for customers, the experience is alarming. Seeing hundreds or even thousands of pounds disappear from your balance without explanation is enough to cause serious concern. And because Metro Bank is a smaller challenger bank that already faced scrutiny in recent years, issues like this can shake customer confidence. If you were affected by the Metro Bank glitch, here's what you should do. First, don't panic. These types of system errors usually resolve once the data refreshes and payments are reconciled. Check your account regularly over the next couple of days to confirm your balance updates correctly. Second, keep screenshots or records of any discrepancies. If you see duplicate charges, missing transactions, or an incorrect balance, having proof will make it easier to resolve disputes with the bank. Third, if the problem doesn't fix itself within a day or two, contact Metro Bank support team directly. You can visit a branch if necessary, especially if it involves large sums of money or urgent payments. And finally, avoid making unnecessary transfers or purchases while the system is still catching up, just to prevent further confusion. This glitch is another reminder of how dependent we become on digital banking, and how quickly things can go wrong when systems fail. Even though Metro Bank has assured customers that their funds are safe, these moments reveal how vulnerable everyday users can feel when their money becomes inaccessible, even temporarily. To their credit, Metro Bank did acknowledge the issue publicly, apologize, and work to restore services. But the frustration from customers highlights the importance of transparency and communication when financial systems go down. If you're someone who's experienced these Metro Bank problems today, make sure you keep an eye on your account until everything stabilizes. The good news is that these glitches are usually temporary. The bad news is that they can still cause stress, especially if you depend on your bank for immediate access to funds. That's everything you need to know about the recent Metro Bank problems. If you want updates on how the bank handles the situation, or if you want to know more about how to protect your money during banking outages, make sure to stay tuned. Thanks for listening, and take care of your finances until the systems are fully back to normal.